guys, like, right now I'm just, like, filming my backyard. It looks pretty nice. And I live, like, behind a farm. Do you see that? Don't you see the bush shaking? Holy crap, what is that? Do you hear that? Holy crap, holy crap. Oh, do you see that? He's like trying to hop the fence. He got out of jail. Holy fuck. Whoa, what are you doing? Oh! Yo, you leave! You leave! You?
You! Come here!
Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy crap!